Hi. Most of us have always a diet at some point that felt the right path. Sometimes that diet becomes more than a diet. It becomes part of how we explain ourselves. That's normal. I'm not here to tell anyone that their diet is wrong. What I want to share today is something different. A way to evaluate any diet you're on without feeling attacked, ashamed, or pressured. When something improves your life, even if it's temporary, it's natural to identify with it. It means that you weren't stupid. It means you found something that made sense at the time. Growth does not mean rejecting the past self. It means giving them more tools. This video is a small kit you can use to check whether your diet is supporting you or pulling you apart. It's not anti-diet, it's not pro-diet, it's a thinking tool. Use it in private. You don't have to argue with anyone. You don't have to switch sides. The first thing in this kit, you should think about, does your kit pass the safety check? Look at the long-term markers. Sleep, recovery, mood stability, energy between meals, digestion, blood work, anything that you have. If something is getting worse month after month, you don't panic. That's information. Good diet does not require heroic maintenance. It should support your body when you're not paying attention. The second part. Can you take a break from your diet without feeling like you're betraying somebody or something? If a diet punishes you for being human, that is, your holidays get worse, or traveling gets hard, or anything else comes worse because of the diet, it's a red flag. If your identity feels threatened by the idea of eating differently for a day, that's another signal something is wrong. The third thing, listen carefully to the claims around the diet. Do you think they violate basic physiology? Do they promise to override metabolism? Do they claim only their method works and everything else is a lie? If those explanations require magic, then it's probably not the diet, it's indoctrination. Then there's a fourth thing. Look at the behavior of the community surrounding the diet. Do they welcome questions? Or do people get attacked for asking them? Healthy systems don't need to silence doubt because they don't. Well, the explanation is complex, but unhealthy ones do suppress doubt. Finally, but not least, picture yourself adjusting the diet or leaving it entirely. Does that doubt feel terrifying? Not because of health consequences, but because of social identity. If it does, it's worth noticing. You don't have to leave your diet, but you deserve a freedom of diet. a freedom to think without losing respect of yourself. If you notice any red flags, it does not mean your diet is bad or that you have been bullied. It means that you are growing past something. That's something to be proud of. Every decision you made in the past was made with the information you had. This kit simply gives you more. Whatever you choose to do with this is yours. You don't have to justify it to anyone. This isn't about switching teams, it's about gaining autonomy. Well, there's some things I need to add here. If you ever change or adjust your diet because of this kit, there's one more thing to understand, and this is important. You might feel the urge to warn others or wake people up, especially if you feel like you narrowly avoided something harmful. That reaction is human. It means you care. But you should hear this. Trying to convert people creates the same resistance that probably kept you stuck for longer than necessary. People change when they're ready, not when we pass. If you've grown, the best way to honor that growth is to let others walk their path without interference. Your clarity is for you. Their journey is theirs. You don't have to fix anyone. It can be painful to see people stuck where you used to be, but that pain is part of growing, realizing that care does not always look like intervention. Think of yourself 5 years ago. Would anyone have convinced you by force? So if you ever step away from a diet ideology, don't go back swinging, don't mock anyone, don't attack anyone, don't try to convert anyone. You are not responsible for saving anybody. You are only responsible for protecting your own clarity. There's a last instructions on how we break the Google. We don't fight. Especially not any tribes. We refuse to create new ones. Okay. If you want more tools like this, I'll keep building them. Just let me know in the comments. Hi, goodbye.